Thanks for getting in touch with Design Hero. My name's Nicholas Robb. I help business owners like you to supercharge your marketing success. Do you feel like you're not getting enough customers online? You fed up with wasting time and money on marketing and not getting results? Or just not sure what to do next? Book a marketing super session with me and get total clarity on your marketing. There's no sales pitch. This is a live workshop with me. We'll go through your marketing together, step by step. We'll look at your brand, your online presence and your marketing. We'll find out exactly what's missing and exactly how to fix it. I'll provide you with a strategy to transform your business online from zero to hero, so you can stop working in your business and start working on your business. Don't just take our word for it. Here's just some of the testimonials we're getting from our customers. Design Hero have completely revamped our website and marketing platform. So happy with the sales. We've had over £15,000 since it started. Design Hero have been a breath of fresh air. Sales are growing every month, goals are being updated every month and continue to succeed online. All credit to Nick and his team. That's St Martin at RK Sales. We rebuilt his e-commerce website to start generating profit online in tandem with his telesales. Very impressed with the delivery and response times. This investment will significantly increase sales and save me a huge amount of admin time. Wholeheartedly recommend Design Hero. No hard sell, just a nice guy who really knows his stuff.
I'm so glad I settled on Design Hero. Nick listened carefully to my aims and idea. I was very impressed with Nick's response times, and he delivered the final product within the timescales set. Nick's prices reflect the work he puts in. I have no doubt that this early investment in a professional website will significantly increase sales and save me a huge amount of time.
You'll see that if we look at the check-in dates, the Isle of Sea Shore is now pretty much booked out back to back for the next year as a result of the new brand, website and digital marketing strategy that they've done. Design Hero, first class service, very professional, 10 out of 10 for results. We'll be using Design Hero again. This is one of 5 websites that we designed for Motor Salvage Group. In 6 months they've had over 1,372 goals completed, which works out about 10 inquiries a day. That's pretty consistent across all 5 of their websites. So on average they're getting about 50 inquiries a day from the work that we've done at Design Hero. The goal conversion rate you'll see is up at 30%, so it converts very well.
On board what I was saying when I was mentioning different things. I've had a plain website for so long. It's so much better. The way the colours are incorporated into the backdrops, it will stand out against other photographers. Just as soon as you look, you're like, oh wow, that looks interesting and cool, and it's a bit funky. Then I was advertising for events and I was on message to book, but no one was messaging or no one was booking. But these other dance photographers, I felt like they were selling their sessions out. Whereas if they just clicked a link and they could book it, it makes it easier. I think it will definitely increase in bookings and sales, and you can pay the deposit. But a lot of people prefer just paying on. I only need one web developer. Have you not had any issues at all? And I'm like, no. I literally get emails all the time. I was I even get marketing tips because I signed up to the newsletter. I was like, this is great.
Welcome to my first ever podcast. Yes, it is me, Graham Ashton. Hello there. To tell you my experience with Design Hero, I needed help setting up a website to host my new podcasts. So I'm quite new to all this kind of stuff. I'd contacted a few digital marketing agencies, felt that they weren't really listening to me too much. They were more just giving me prices for things. Design Hero, I just found that right away. There was something different. They listened to what I was looking for. Communication levels were high. The ideas they gave me were great. Listened to what I had to say, but also gave me their ideas. I've got a social media strategy which now I stick to. I've got an email newsletter which is automated. I was a wee bit blown away actually. There was other people that were cheaper out there. They weren't going to give me what I need. If you're thinking about you need any help to maybe go on to the next sort of stage in your business, I would 100% give Design Hero a look. It's definitely changed everything that I'm doing now, and definitely worthwhile and highly recommend. Thanks.
Ready to transform your business from zero to hero? The first step? Book a marketing audit workshop with me, Nicholas Robb. We'll go through your marketing together, one step at a time. I'll show you exactly why you aren't getting leads and exactly how to fix that. This is a live workshop. We'll go through everything step by step. We'll look at your brand, your website and your marketing activities. There's no sales pitch, no hard sell. At the end, you're free to use the insights as you will. These insights will also be applicable to all parts of your business, including face-to-face sales. If you don't feel those insights were valuable, I personally guarantee to refund 100% of the cost of the audit. If If you're ready to transform your business, just follow the link in the description below.